Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for safely removing the screen without causing damage to your device. First, power off your Lenovo ThinkPad and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface to prevent any scratches or damage. Now, locate the screws securing the screen bezel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the bezel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could crack the plastic. With the bezel removed, you will see the screen assembly. Disconnect the screen from the motherboard by carefully unplugging the connector. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that there are no additional screws holding it in place. Next, remove the screws that secure the screen to the hinges. Again, keep these screws safe. Once the screws are out, you can lift the screen away from the laptop. Before installing the new screen, take a moment to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain the performance of your device. If you feel uncertain about this process, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get expert advice tailored to your needs. Now, take your new screen and align it with the hinges. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Once the screen is firmly attached, reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard. Ensure it is seated properly to avoid any display issues. After everything is connected, it's time to reattach the bezel. Align it carefully and press it into place. Replace the screws to secure the bezel, ensuring it fits snugly. Finally, power on your Lenovo ThinkPad to test the new screen. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your screen. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device repaired without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service. If you encounter any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. This way, you can make an informed decision about your repair options. With your new screen in place, your Lenovo ThinkPad is ready to go. Enjoy your refreshed device. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.